Solving your Bluetooth keyboard connection issues.
Hello and welcome to our quick guide on troubleshooting your Bluetooth keyboard connection issues. It's frustrating when you're ready to work or play, but your keyboard just won't cooperate. But don't worry. In this video, we'll go through the common issues and potential solutions that will help you resolve your Bluetooth keyboard problems.
Is your Bluetooth enabled?
Firstly, we need to make sure the Bluetooth on your device is enabled. It may sound obvious, but sometimes the simplest explanation is the correct one. Ensure that the Bluetooth toggle on your device is switched to on. This is typically found in the Settings menu, under Bluetooth or Connected Devices.
Is your keyboard in pairing mode?
Another common reason why your Bluetooth keyboard may not connect is that it isn't in pairing mode. Most keyboards have a specific key or button that puts them into pairing mode. This allows them to be discovered by your device. Refer to your keyboard's manual to find out how to enter this mode.
Is your device discoverable?
Even with your Bluetooth enabled and your keyboard in pairing mode, there may still be issues. You also need to ensure that your device is discoverable. This is usually an option in the Bluetooth settings on your device.
Have you tried restarting your device and keyboard?
Like with many tech problems, a simple restart can sometimes do the trick. Try turning off and on both your device and your Bluetooth keyboard. This can often reset any small errors that may have occurred.
Is the keyboard compatible with your device?
Not all Bluetooth devices are compatible with one another. Check your keyboard's manual or product page to confirm that it is compatible with the type of device you're trying to connect it with. So there you have it. We hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting your Bluetooth keyboard connection issues. Remember, check your Bluetooth settings, ensure your devices are discoverable and compatible, and sometimes a good old restart can fix the problem. Thanks for watching and happy typing.